A common question that pops up among window cleaners from beginner to expert is what jets should I use for my water-fed brush, fan or pencil? Pencil jets are identifiable by the pinpoint in the middle of a nozzle, while fan jets have a long line through the middle to easily spread the water. Attaching either of these to your brush is identical. Simply twist the jet heads into the brush and insert the tubings into the T-piece. The pencil jets boast a powerful stream of water from each nozzle, perfect for more intense areas of grime and dirt. These streams have a very long reach, meaning the brush does not need to be close to the glass in order to wet it. Whereas the fan jets opt for coverage rather than precision. Each nozzle emits a wide showered stream of water, covering the entire glass pane in virtually no time at all. This is especially useful for more out-of-reach windows where it's harder to identify whether any parts of the window have been missed. Both the fan jets and the pencil jets offer huge upsides to the window cleaner's repertoire. And since they are so simple to attach and detach, it's hard not to recommend having both at your disposal to be prepared for any and all challenges ahead.